I think. No, you know what? Yeah, I'm not gonna pretend like I give a crap about Adidas. Let's fix that. Whoops. There we go. Howdy! Thanks for tuning in. Welcome to the channel. I'm SB Mitch. You can give me a follow on social media or subscribe to the channel if you really want to. Cracking open a cold one. It's just sparkling water. Don't get too excited. Yeah. Hi, pals. Welcome to Beater Box Friday. This box comes to us from Soul Steals, actually. SoulSteals.com, at SoulSteals on social media. Check them out. I usually get boxes from Soul Supremacy. And this one is from Soul Steals. Soul Steals and Soul Supremacy are basically the same company. So the only difference in this box is the website address where I bought it from, I guess you could say. This box was $1,250 plus $50 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois for a grand total of $1,300. I don't know why I made that sound. That's clearance. It's a counter. It's going to be letting you know how much each shoe is worth on the secondary market based on size, condition, and other various factors that affect the value of a shoe. Then we're going to take the entire estimated value of the box, put it up against how much I paid to see how much profit there is. Keep in mind too that the prices that pop up on your screen, those are not how much the shoes are for sale for. If you want to find out how much the shoes are for sale for, you should go to my website at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time today. That website is sbmitch.com. Let's open the box. It's one of those high ticket boxes that could suck or could be good. So, well, looks like we're looking at the latter. There's a lot of Adidas in here. Like a lot of Adidas. That sucks. A lot of loose pairs. And they're actually okay loose pairs. Let me get this one out of the way first. So this first pair has no box. It is a size 10.5. It's an Air Max 97. I don't know what the colorway is called, but it's kind of slick. It's kind of got silver bullet vibes, but it's got a black upper. These are... Got a swoosh in there. The outsoles are in very, very good shape. I mean, there's no loss of tread on the bottoms there. 97s are weird. I don't know if this is gonna have any value, but it's in good enough shape. So there's your first shoe out. Air Max 97, size 10.5, no box. Hey, if you're interested in that shoe or any other shoe in this box, hit up my website, sbmitch.com today at 6 for fun, or to just look if you want. I'm saving 2 loose shoes for later because they're actually good shoes. There's a lot of blue Adidas boxes in here. So this one is a size 13 tubular runner. Well, they're dead stock, so that's good. There you go. There is paper all over this thing and some scuffs, which I can definitely get off. But these are unworn. You can see no wear on the bottoms. It's just a white shoe with a couple scuffing from improper storage and stuff, but not really much to say about these. They have a tubular outsole. They're white and they're dead stock and they're Adidas. So couple bucks there, not bad. Size 13. I don't get much size 13, but when I do, they're ugly. Another blue Adidas box. This is a size 5 Yeezy Power Phase. This is the Core Black Yeezy Power Phase. These are unworn. Core Black size 5 Yeezy Power Phases. These are actually pretty decent quality. I mean, it's Adidas and Reebok are the same company, kind of, so it looks like a Reebok. That's just all there is to it. But these are dead stock. Can't really complain about that. It's a really decent size too. There you go, size 5. Yeezy Power Phase in the Core Black colorway. Got another Yeezy Power Phase. It's a size 5.5. Same colorway, half size bigger. Probably not much of a difference in price, but these are unworn too. They're just a half size bigger than the last one we had, so I can't really say much about it. It's a simple colorway. A lot of people love triple black sneakers because they're boring, so there you go. Size 5.5, Power Phase, Core Black. And we have another Power Phase. This is a size 11, which is my size, but I have eyes, so I will not be wearing them. It's another pair of the Core Black Adidas Yeezy Power Phase. These appear to be worn though. So they're worn, but very lightly. Triple black, there's a little bit of stuff on the outsole. Yeah, these are in really great shape. They look like they've been worn a handful of times, so there's no like drag or much of anything. So these will be an easy cleanup and they'll be worth something, I hope. So size 11, Yeezy Power Phase in the Core Black colorway. Let's do these loose pairs now, I think. No, you know what? Yeah, I'm not gonna pretend like I give a crap about Adidas. So this is a worn pair without a box. It's a size 10. Everyone goes absolutely gaga over this shoe, and I don't know why. This is the Bread Yeezy 350. It's size 10. It's worn. There's a little bit of heel drag, a little bit of discoloration on the boost. I took the insole out. It's flawless. I mean, it probably just needs to be washed real quick, but there's no lettering missing, so that's pretty good. No box on this. I mean, at this point, when it comes to a shoe like this, Adidas is worth what someone will pay for it, which is probably the stupidest thing I've ever said, but Adidas values don't ever really go up. That's just all there is to it. So size 10, Adidas, Yeezy 350, whatever, Bread. After that, we got a 750 with a Nike insert in it, so that's hilarious. This is a size 11. These are the, I want to say these are the glow-in-the-dark 750s. These are in really great shape. There's a little bit of heel drag right there. The boost is in good shape. Outsole is lightly worn. The upper seems to be in good shape. We'll have to check the zippers, because zippers are notorious for being broken on these because Adidas quality assurance doesn't really exist. So the zippers work, so that's a positive thing. There you go, size 11. I don't know what the value on these will be without a box, but I'm sure someone likes these. There you go. It's a good size, I guess. Let's do this. This is a size 8.5, Jordan 5. Nope, these are not the new ones. It's a pair of Fire Red 5s. It's the 2013 release. These are in really great shape. They look like they've been worn a handful of times, but there's no discoloration on the cages or the tongue, it looks like. Got the lace locks here. Just a little bit of outsole wear, a little bit of creasing on the toe box, but it's got everything in here. So this I can't complain about. Excuse me, even if the Fire Red 5s did just re-release. So size 8.5, Fire Red 5 from 2013. And it wouldn't be a Soul Steals box without something Supreme in it. And here it is. It's a size 11.5 Air Force One Mid 07 Supreme. This is from the Rift store in San Francisco. That stinks. I don't know if you guys know this, but Jeff is not going to be able to bounce back from the situation in San Francisco. But this is, regardless, this is the Air Force One collaboration with NBA, I guess you could say. They're worn. Chicago Bulls on the vamp. We got the Celtics, the Knicks are on here. Supreme branding on the strap. There's my Cavs right by the Supreme logo. So it's pretty much like an ode to J.R. Smith. These are, yeah, they're worn. I mean, but these, I've never seen these in person. There's a good reason for that because they're kind of hideous, but someone will like them, I guess. I mean, the NBA is coming back, so I guess that's cool. It's your last shoe out, a size 11.5, Air Force One NBA. That is a $1,300 Soul Steals mystery box. Too much Adidas for me to be really pumped on it, but there could be some value in here. Let's check it out right now in the breakdown. Too much Adidas for my tastes. I mean, holding Adidas is pretty much a death wish if you want to make any money on boxes like this, so gonna take some strategy to make this box really, really worth it. But hey, anyways, they'll be for sale on my website today, 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, sbmitch.com. You can check out all the shoes from this box. We do worldwide shipping, so if you're in, name a country, we ship to you. So there's that. It ain't cheap, but we still ship to you. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you taking the time out of your day for this video because it really has zero impact on everything that's going on in the world right now. Have a great weekend. I will see you soon. And until next time, take care of each other. Remember to make it fun because sneakers are supposed to be fun. Hadouken! No, wait. Hadouken is that one. What's this one? I don't remember. Street Fighter people, let me know. See ya!